can hear her raw vocals. Yes, and everybody loves Dato to Nurhaliza. Whoa, singing this beside the original singer, so much pressure. Wow. Oh, wow. It was really good. Wow. The incorporation of her own slurs and runs. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? Hello guys, hello Malaysia, Southeast Asia, fans of Dato, Siti, Nurhaliza, and Aina, Abdul. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here though, my name is Nephi, band vocalist and YouTuber actor from the Philippines. Today, as you can see, I will be reacting to this video from the YouTube page of Dato, Siti, Nurhaliza. The title of the video is Sesi Latihan or practice session. Dato Sri Siti Nurhaliza and Aina Abdul final Bigstage 2022. I cannot wait to watch this. This is quite a long video. It's 14 minutes and 43 seconds, so it's probably more like a vlog plus the practice session of their singing. And I heard from you guys there was just one time they practiced. Without further ado guys, let's go check this out. Ready, 1, 2, 3. That's Dato Siti. Nice. So this is just her. Dia aja dulu practicing. So I think this is her warm-up to sing Purnama Merindu, because in the final performance she was not able to sing this part of the song. It was Aina. I can hear her raw vocals. Actually one of her most challenging songs. Oh yeah, so this is the transition part. Oh, Aina is beside her. Okay. I know for sure that Aina is fangirling. Everybody, as in everybody, loves Dato to Nurhaliza. Whoa, singing this beside the original singer, so much pressure. Wow, I really think Dato Siti is so proud of Aina, being that Aina is a fan of Dato Siti. See? Oh, Dato Siti is so humble. And also, of course, Aina. I met both of them in person and I am just super happy right now to see them both in one video. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. The extensions that Dato Siti is doing is just so her. Wow. Look at Aina, she's smiling. Oh bro. Oh my gosh. Love that crossover of the songs. Shout out to the musical director and arranger of his performance. Beautiful blending at the end. Great job, you guys. Wow. Dato Siti is so professional even on her practices, you know, she's really focusing. Oh my gosh! So it's her first practice on the stage. What is Dato Siti pointing at? Oh, they need to go forward. Are you sure this is just a practice session? She sounds so good. The low notes that only Dato Siti and Aina Abdul could really deliver. Love it. The quality. I'm talking about the quality of their vocals down there. Wow, the way she soared up was just crazy good. Wow, the stamina. Wow. It was really good. Now it's Dato Siti. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Heard that difference right there. That was her own style. Wow. The incorporation of her own slurs and runs. Love it. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? She said, betul kan? Look at Aina. She's playing with her hijab. Love those slurs. The slow changes that she's doing. Really good. Oh my gosh. Great transition. Wow. Love that part. Wow, Aina. balance bow. Slow claps, both of you. I love it so much. That was just a rehearsal. Okay. I was so consumed by that performance. I love it so much. Okay, let's continue. They look so gorgeous though. I love the styling of the outfit of Aina Abdul, you know, with the white and the black combination. And of course, Dato Siti is always slaying, so this is just a great moment for the both of them. Yeah, more pictures, yeah. Boomerang untuk Instagram, I think.
Kami dapat yang terbaik. Saya happy Aina menyanyikan lagu Kak Iti. First time Kak Iti bawa lagu Aina. Dan Kak Iti, okay, di YouTube saya memang cakap kepada Aina tadi saya nak lagu dia.
So she requested Aina Abdul to make a song for her upcoming album. Wow. Yasmin and nama dia apa? Tegar kan? Maaf. Yeah, Tegar. I heard him before. He sounds really good. And he's wearing yellow, my favorite color. Okay, wow, Tania guys, and of course, Tania untuk Dato Siti Nurhaliza and Aina Abdul for that you know, very wonderful collaboration, live singing of the songs Semalam dan Purnama Merindu. It was really good, even at the rehearsals that we just saw in this video. So great job guys, thank you so much for watching. If you got more videos like this that you want me to react to, just comment them down below, and you could also send me your messages and requests via Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Patreon, TikTok, for all of the description box right down below. Thank you all so much, and I hope to see all of you guys in my next videos. Bye.